Jujutsu Kaisen, Chapter 254. Kusakabe vs Sukuna is finally about to happen, but Maki is actually dead. Like we saw at the end of the previous chapter that Maki lost the battle. But she didn't die. She is really injured because of the damage from Black Flash, and she won't be able to fight anymore like Yuta, but she is actually alive. In upcoming chapter 254, fans can expect a fight between Sukuna and Kusakabe, and that's really obvious. That's the point. Is he really going to beat Sukuna? If he can't beat, then can he even deal damage like Maki and cause some problem for Sukuna? Kusakabe is the strongest grade 1 sorcerer, even though there are many popular grade 1 sorcerers, but still Kusakabe is the strongest one. And even Gojo confirmed that he is the strongest grade 1 sorcerer, and it is not going to be easy for Sukuna. In the upcoming chapter, we can see Sukuna showing his power as previously mentioned by Urome. If Sukuna fights an opponent that he thinks is weak, then his energy goes down, but when he thinks that enemy is strong, his energy spikes goes high. We will get the idea in the upcoming chapter why the spike of energy that Sukuna uses against Kusakabe and how strong Kusakabe is. We can see Kusakabe using different technique in new chapter. Even though he is not like any special grade with a really unique ability or power, his simple domain and shadow style is really strong. He can use his simple domain in chapter 254 as he did previously to decrease the effect of Sukuna slashes. He can again do that. Apart from this, we can see Yuji Itadori coming back in the battle after healing himself in upcoming chapter 254, but not at the start of the chapter. The whole chapter will cover only Kusakabe vs Sukuna, and the writer will try to give some time to Kusakabe so he can showcase his power. But at the end of the chapter, we can see Yuji stepping into the battle because Kusakabe can't handle Sukuna alone. He will need help in future. Like Yuta got help from Maki, and then Maki got help from Kusakabe, and after that we can see Kusakabe getting help from Yuji Itadori. Kusakabe will fight in the forefront and Yuji will play a supportive role if he does manage to join the fight. We know that normally whoever fights Sukuna gets really popular and makes a really big place in the heart of Jujutsu Kaisen fans, and especially in the heart of Gojo fans. And it's the right time for Kusakabe to shine and give everything that he can. Normally one character taking 2 chapters, after that either they losing or switching place with anyone in the fight against Sukuna, so we can even see Kusakabe complete 2 chapters as a main hero in future. After that we can see his death, and if he doesn't die then his condition will be the same as Yuta, Yuji or Maki. Then what will happen next? Fans can expect from the upcoming chapter when Kusakabe start losing and Sukuna is about to kill Kusakabe, we can see Maki entry. As we know, every sorcerer can recover from damage, they can heal themselves. Even if they can't, still after some time, they get their energy back. So Maki will get their strength back and soon she will again join the battle. So far after Gojo, Maki dealt the most damage on Sukuna. Even more damage than Yuta, which is kinda shocking since we all know that Yuta is really special. Dealing damage more than him shows Maki is really special, and the writers really planning something big for Maki. We can see her possible that normally characters signs before the death. Despite whatever they are doing, I don't think they can beat Sukuna like this. It's looking really impossible to beat Sukuna right now. As Gege mentioned, this Jujutsu Kaisen manga will end before the end of 2024, so fans can expect like 20 or 30 more chapters before the end. So expecting the end of Sukuna right now will be stupidity. I'm not even hoping that Kusakabe is going to beat Sukuna. I'm just hoping that he will deal some damage like Maki did and will weaken the Sukuna a little more for the final battle. Currently Sukuna is weak, so Kusakabe might be able to survive. Few chapters in front of him, currently his main goal is not to defeat Sukuna, but to survive somehow until any other sorcerer join the battle. And his biggest achievement will be to deal a powerful blow to Sukuna that will hurt Sukuna till his death. And if he able to do that will be like a victory. Can he impress the king of curses Sukuna or not? That's really a big question. If we see Sukuna praising him, then understand he did well. And the moment we will see him getting praised, understand it is his last moment, because Sukuna always saying something good about his opponent before defeating them. From Jogo to Maki to Yuta, we saw all the time, just before the victory, Sukuna says something good about their opponent if they are good. Now let's talk about the release date. Jujutsu Kaisen is going to take a break, and instead of next week, we will see a new chapter after 14 days on 24 March. So we can see again Jujutsu Kaisen is again on a break, something about to happen. Normally leaks are coming few days before the original release. If the original release is 24 March, then we can expect leaks on 20 March or maybe 21 March. Normally leaks are 100% accurate, and it will give the full idea. Overall, we can't expect much twist from the upcoming chapter 254. It will only cover the fight between Sukuna and Kusakabe. Whole chapter is about fighting. Whatever I said in this video is an expectation and give us only the idea what could happen. It's not 100% accurate, it's just an assumption. Let me know in the comment section, do you think Kusakabe can deal a lot of damage on Sukuna, or will he lose the fight very easily? If you made this far, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Also follow me on social media. All links are in description. Thanks for watching.